A lot of species can jump, and there's nice long tree trunks around their body, so it's going to your light. And if you look to your right, you will see a herd of reticulated giraffes. Sorry about that. Reticulated giraffes can grow up to 19 feet tall and run 35 miles per hour. These guys have 360-degree view in color. Yellow train right now. Fun fact about their spots are like your fingerprints. Those two are alike. They also have the same number of vertebrae as a human being, it's just theirs are larger. If you look to your left, you see some goat-like creatures sitting up on a hill. These guys are actually the antelope. They went to the them are like in the wild. And their horns are on the male and female are exactly the same length. These guys coats appear white but during summertime, but during wintertime, it will turn into a light brown to help them absorb more light to stay warmer. Alright guys, have you ever wanted to feed a giraffe before? Or want to feed these lonely animals? Well, you can by signing up for the store. Serengeti, that's so well, but you have some personal intelligence around here, so you can get one to feed giraffe. You're interested in this? The Animal Interactions Center is what you're looking for. The Animal Interactions Center team station is a kangaroo, guys. There's no animal interaction. You're going to catch it in time TA. Boulders walking around. These large boulders are actually white rhinos. The rhinos weigh up to 6,000 pounds, run 35 miles per hour, and did you know their horns are not made out of bone, they're made out of keratin. This is one of those sudden stops, and this is why you must remain seated as the train's in motion.
That rhino cruzando. Yeah. Look at
This was an unscheduled stop, so you must remain seated. This is because our rhinos decided that they thought sprinting in front of the train was a good way to. This is a good thing. This is why you gotta look both ways before crossing the road. Back to white rhinos, they weigh 6,000 pounds, run 35 miles per hour, as you see them jaunting around now to your left. Their horns are not made out of bone, they're made out of keratin, which is the same material as your fingernails. And if you notice the smallest one among them, that's baby ZZ. ZZ's name translates in Swahili to precious treasure. So she's our precious little treasure. So if you're wondering why we haven't just suddenly just flipped the switch to start going, this is because this is a 3/4 replica of the same train that we used to ride in the Serengeti Valley in the 1918. So this is a real steam train right now. The only thing different is we don't use logs or coal to power steam. We use propane. So yes, you're on a real steam train right now.
They're playing. They're probably watching us.
All the rhinos have moved to your right side now, so when you go by, they'll be on your right. But on your left side, you might see some light brown deer-looking creatures with heart-shaped noses and white circles on their butts. Those are the waterbucks. Waterbucks may have water in their name, but they're not aquatic creatures. They actually use a large thick tape from the predators because their skin releases an oil that makes them waterproof.
Hey. Huh? They're on your side. Oh, you'll see them.
if you look to the right also, you see among the rhinos some very large brown creature with long black horns. That's actually the Sable antelope. Sable antelope are a female dominant herd, which means the females are in charge and the males are kicked out after 2 to 3 years. When the males are waiting to be re-welcomed, they will make their own herd called a bachelor's herd. And on your left and your right side, you'll see some more shark features. These are the grand zebras. Grand zebras are actually the smallest species of zebra, and unlike the rabbits, their stripes do go across their whole body. Below the beasts, the tons of gazelles, and the grand zebras are all part of something called the Great Migration. The Great Migration herd member count can get up to the 1 million, and you can see a dust cloud from the International Space Station. Speaking of the world of beasts, there they are. Those are the 3 great beasts.